Hello everybody, welcome back to another lockpicking video. And yeah, today's video will be a little bit odd one because I'm doing a video entry into the 100 subscriber giveaway from NigBee's. And under the hashtag inappropriate tool, he challenged us to open a lock with the most inappropriate tool we can find. And yeah, I was a bit on a journey there. I am no tool maker by far, and you will see that in a second. But also, yeah, my ideas failed horribly. So first of all, I wanted to get some climbing gear in there because I know NigBee's is also a climber. And yeah, I thought maybe this tool that you use for removing nuts or wires like this could work as a tensioner, but no. In neither lock I tried, this worked, and I thought, well, nah, that is off the map. And also I tried with these wires, just a thin one like this one here. Maybe this one will fit in here or something, but no chance. So I quickly noticed my initial idea was off the chart and no chance for that. Then I thought, maybe I don't do a video, but I really wanted to do a video just to also shout out NigBee's channel because I really like his content. And you really have to see what he created for his 100 subscriber giveaway. He made amazing flags. This is a multi-pick dimple flag, and he created custom ones for this giveaway. And he even shows you in, I think, 2 videos where he shows you how to create one yourself. And I wouldn't be able to do that like this. He does it in his videos, but really go check it out. So climbing gear off the chart. Well, what else could I do? And I saw people opening a lock like this with a toothpick. So I thought, well, a nail should also work. I tried everything and nothing really worked. I tried thick nails, I tried thin nails, I tried just poking them and nothing worked. I think this bitting is not the easiest one. So this got my respect up for the Burgwächter again after I picked it with normal flex quite quickly. And then I thought, well, maybe I have to work on my tool a bit. Let's, from a nail, which one was it? A nail like this, I grinded off some things and tried to make a dimple rake. Come on, focus. And yeah, you see my attempt here, but this was a horrible failure. I cannot rake, and this is a bad tool, and it didn't work at all. So almost quitting again, but I didn't want to quit. I really wanted to do that video. So again, I grabbed a nail like this and I filed away quite a bit of the top part into a flag. Just like that. I even had to thin it down a bit. If you compare the diameters down here, you see, yeah, I just grinded off a bit with a Dremel. And then I thought, well, with that flag, it should totally work, right? And it was still super painful, and the tool itself is painful to grab and so on. But this is just a conclusion of my tool making skills. But nevertheless, I could pick it with a normal tensioner. And then I thought, well, this is not inappropriate enough. Let's grab a beer lid. How you call it in English even. This is a Kronkorken in German, but you know what I mean. And I punched a hole in it like this and extended the 2 prongs like this so that they fit exactly into the keyway. And I can tension it like a steering wheel, so to say. And yeah, this lock needs even quite heavy tension, and yeah, this this outer part is really not so comfortable and leaves quite some marks if you tension it for a bit. And you will see me picking it hopefully in a second. And yeah, you will see that it is not the quickest process, even though this should be an easy lock. But with such poor tools, yeah, it just takes time. So I guess my conclusion is, yes, at a pinch I can make some tools, but never any good. And I hope they are inappropriate enough for your giveaway. So NigBee's, congratulations again to 100 and now 200 subscribers. And yeah, let's put it in a vise and see how it goes. See you back in a second. So here we are again, all locked up in the vise. here's the tensioner. Let's put it in. And here is our flag. So I think heavy tension helps. Let's see. Here goes nothing. So with that I really cannot tell you what I'm exactly doing in the lock, because half of the time I just don't know it myself. Man, this flag. Just trying to find anything binding. And right now nothing is really binding. So either something is half set or overset already. A small click on 4 or 5. No, something's binding. 5 is binding. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe something has happened. Let's start from the front again. Okay, it's 1 or 2 here. Set. Something is binding in the back. Something on 4. Oh boy, that thing is just horrible. Open. Oh boy. So, took me a bit longer, but almost butchered my tensioner, I think, in the progress. Still working. The flag is still okay. Oh boy, I didn't think I'd get it open. So NigBee, thanks again for creating this fun challenge. Even though it took me a bit of attempts to get a working tool, still good fun. Sorry that it took me so long to finally make a video, but here I am. So everybody who's still here, thanks for watching. Bye.